quick update on the fermentation fridge. As those who've been following the fermentation fridge will know, it's working a treat, but there's this glass shelf in the middle, and although we did test it, or I tested it outside, where if it broke it wouldn't be too much of a problem, it's still, when you stick like 25 odd litres of, or 25 kilograms on it, it's a bit of a worry. So I thought I'd replace it with a bit of steel, and this is 4mm steel. I think that should be strong enough, so I'm going to paint that up now. I've cleaned all the edges off. I can't actually show you because James from Evolution would have a heart attack if I showed you how I cut this, but I'll tell you something, Evolution power tools, and they might look a bit lightweight, but those blades, 4 mil mills, the business, it's the business. So paint that up and get it in the fridge. Job's a good one. All painted up. I was going to powder coat it, but I thought, there's no need to powder coat it. So just a couple of normal coats of an enamel, that's good enough. 4mm steel plate, and like the woman with 5 legs, her knickers fitted her like a glove. It fits perfect in here, and I won't be overly worried now, as I have been, about sticking another fermentation vessel on top of that and the glass shelf deciding to give way. Even though we tested the glass shelf to 50 kilos, it tends to be point pressure that would make it go. And proof of concept, all in and working. Could possibly have gone up one more to give me access to that. Thank you. In case you're wondering what that nutter is down there, that's a Mangrove Jack's Lemon Sour, which I started yesterday, coming up for 24 hours, and I've had to change the water in that blow off little jug, not jug, jar, down there 4 or 5 times. Superb that. But there we go with the shelf. Very, very pleased and now reassured. Didn't have, when I put this in, the slightest worry, just slammed it straight on. It's not going to bend, it's not going anywhere. 4mm steel, that's perfect. Just done that one, that's a Chockmeister. I was going to do the Tiny Rebel, but you're about to go again. You are, aren't you? Good, it's going like a volcano, that is. But yeah, I need to, as I'm getting everything now kegged, I need a decent stout on keg. So that will be that in about 2 weeks. Yeah, super shelf. All in all, very, very pleased. And our little fermentation fridge doing exactly what a fermentation fridge should do. You gonna go again? No? All right. Yeah, good.